Hi guys, welcome to Freshers Camp. So we are back with another topic of aptitude today, area. But before moving on to the topic of area, let me tell you about our channel. We provide regular updates on government jobs, technical, non-technical, and all other type of job opportunities, as well as preparation material for campus placements and government jobs. Do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. So let's solve the homework problem first, which was given in clock part second. So this was the homework problem which was given in clock part second. How much does a watch lose per day if its hand coincides every 64 minutes? 55 minute spaces are covered in 60 minutes. These concept of 55 minute spaces are covered in 60 minutes is already explained in clock part first. I hope you all have watched that and you are clear with this concept. So 60 spaces covered in 60 divided by 55 into 60 minutes, which will be somewhat equals to 65 5 11 minute. So what will be the loss in 64 minute? These are of 60 minutes, right? So you will subtract 64 from that, and these are the remaining minutes, and loss in 24 hours will be calculated as 16 divided by 11 into 1 by 64 into 24 into 60 minutes, and that will be equals to 32 8 11. So your answer is option A, which is 32 8 11. Moving on to the concept of area. So in this lecture, we'll deal with the concepts and basic definitions and formulas. And in the next lecture, we'll solve some questions. So let's move on. Results. So these are some of the fundamental concepts. First is result on triangle. So sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. I know that you must all have studied this in your basic classes like 8th and 9th in maths, but let us revise all these. So sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Pythagoras theorem. So it is a right angle triangle. You can only apply Pythagoras theorem if you have a right angle triangle. So what will happen in Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square would be equals to base square plus height square. The line joining the midpoint of a side of a triangle to the positive vertex is called median. Let's say if we have a triangle this line is called median. The point where three medians of a triangle meet is a centroid. Let's say if you do it like this, so this point where all the 3 points are meeting is called a centroid. The centroid divided each of the medians in the ratio 2:1. So in an isosceles triangle, the attitude from the vertex bisects the base. The median of a triangle divides it in two triangles of the same area. Let's say if you have a triangle like this and like this, so this is the median and this is dividing this a total triangle into two equal parts. The area of a triangle formed by joining the midpoint of the sides of a given triangle is 1/4 of the given triangle. Okay, so results on quadrilaterals. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisects each other. Each diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into triangles of same area. Let's say this is a parallelogram and these are the two diagonals. So these two diagonals are bisecting each other, and each diagonal of a parallelogram divides into triangle of same area, which means there are two triangles. So let me mark this with another color for better understanding. So this is formed by one diagonal and this by other. Okay, the diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at right angles. So in case of a square, we know that all the four sides are equal. So if these are the diagonals, let's say, so they bisect each other at right angles. That means here it will be 90, 90 and 90 and 90 similarly. The diagonal of a rhombus are unequal and bisect each other at a right angle. So a rhombus is somewhat like this, and its diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree, but they are unequal. A parallelogram and a rectangle on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. Of all the parallelograms of given sides, the parallelogram which is a rectangle has the highest area. Now there are some of the important formulas. Area of a rectangle is equals to length into breadth. Length will be area divided by breadth, and similarly breadth will be area divided by length. Parameter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. Area of a square is side square, or you can also say half diagonal square. Area of 4 walls of a room is equals to 2 into length plus breadth into height. Now I would like to explain this. So let us consider your room. We have already told you that area of a rectangle, and your room is also like a rectangle. So you will calculate the parameter first, 2 into length plus breadth into height, because your room also have a height. Area of a triangle is half into base into height. Area of a triangle is equals to side minus 1, side minus b, side minus c. Where how you will calculate this s would be calculated as a plus b plus c and divided by 2, and a, b, c are the sides of a triangle. Area of an equilateral triangle is 3 by 4 into side square. Radius of an circle of an equilateral triangle of side A is a by 23. Radius of a circumference of an equilateral triangle of side A is a by 3. And radius of an incircle of a triangle of area and semi-parameter r would be delta by s. Area of a parallelogram is base into height. For rhombus it is 1 by 2 into product of diagonals. Area of a trapezium is 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides into distance between them. Area of a circle is pi r square, where r is the radius. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Length of an arc is 2 pi r, where theta is the central angle, theta divided by 360. Area of a sector is 1 by 2 arc into r, which is equals to pi r square theta divided by 360. Circumference of a semicircle is pi r, and area of a semicircle is pi r square divided by 2. So these are the all important formulas you will need in solving the questions of area, like related to triangle or square or rhombus or any quadrilateral. You need to watch, you need to take a screenshot or note it down all the important formulas and the concepts. And this is all about the concept of area. But before ending up this lecture, I would like to give you a homework problem, and I hope you leave your answer in the comment section. All the formulas and the concept is explained in this lecture, so I think you all can do this question. This is all about the part first of area, and we'll meet with part second of area and we'll solve some of the more important questions. That's all. Do not forget to subscribe the channel for regular updates. Please like the video and leave your queries in the comment section below. Thank you.